Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Oh, Nidhi, get inside. Please have a seat.
Thanks for this honor.
I was under the impression that you want to come home. Anyway, you have done well for coming. Please, Sam, have something cold.
Thanks for your invitation. Truly speaking, your work is praiseworthy. You have been a great help to me.
No, nothing special. Really, you are so nice. I fully trust you. I have full faith in you.
Marjia, let's have a song.
Oh, Nidhi, your idea is really grand. Nidhi, would you spend the whole day with me?
Sorry, Marjia, I won't be able to spend the whole day with you. Next time, I shall try.
Okay, it's fine.